Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to see some information related things about programming languages, and we are not going to see JavaScript in this video. So in this video I'm going to say you some languages which are expected to bloom in 2020. So as a programmer, we must update ourselves to survive in this competitive world. So for surviving, we need to update ourselves with a new programming language. So in that, we are going to see Reason. Reason is a language which is depends on object-oriented features, and it deals with type safety. So it is similar to JavaScript that we are seeing in our channel. So basically, it helps in developing UI. So as we see, this is the official website of Reason, and here you can learn the Reason language. It helps in creating some UI paths, and not UI paths, it helps in some function like JavaScript, that is client-side scripting. It helps in UI like HTML, and it helps them as JavaScript helps. So this is object oriented, it has object oriented features, and it is also a functional programming language. So which was developed by Jordan Walk. I don't know, Jordan Walk has already created that React.js, which is also deals with front-end development. It helps the UI part in developing front-end development. So like that, this language Reason is also helping the front-end part, and its code is similar to JavaScript. So it helps the programmers easier to learn this language. And the second language that we are going to see is Rust. So this is the official website of Rust. So you can learn, you can install them in your Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio with the help of this npm install. The same thing you can install in Reason language also. You have this npm install, like, so you can also install them, and you can install Rust also. So Rust is a statically typed programming language which focuses on safety, speed, and concurrency. So it is a system language because it has a full control over your memory, and it is really memory safe programming language. So it can be compiled into WebAssembly. People say that it can be compiled into WebAssembly also. So it is a system language, which means it generates the best possible machine code with full control of memory use. It's a system language, which means it generates the best possible machine code with full control of memory use, and it is memory safe also. It was created as Mozilla by Craig Hall in 2006, and people suggest that it would be an important language in 2020. So next language which I love to learn is Dart. So Dart is a programming language. It is an object-oriented garbage collector programming language with inferred types. Object-oriented, as we say, it deals with OOPS concept like C++, Java, Python. It deals with OOPS concept, and it has an engine, or you can say that it can also compile JavaScript. You can also compile JavaScript with the help of Dart, and it is mostly used for mobile framework. It's a language of Flutter, the mobile framework that's taking the world by storm, was mentioned in this website, that is the language of Flutter, the mobile framework that's taking the world by storm. This was the exact phrase mentioned by them. So here we have only 2.7 version is the latest version. So you can use this, and this Dart was developed by Lars Bach and Casper Land. So in order to learn more about Dart, you can visit this website and you can see the documentations. You can learn some samples and tutorials. I better think this language helps in UI development. That is, you can see here in the front page. It develops in, it helps you to learn the UI part like this. You can help like binding with some HTML codes. You can also see that in our Shiny app, you may have the code like this. So this Shiny app is also a very good app for developing in UI part. Like that, this dot language also helps to in UI. So next we are going to see language called nim. So nim is also a statically typed compiled language. So it combines successful concepts as we see, as we have after seeing in this website itself. It says that it combines the languages like Python, Ada, and Modular. They are saying these languages. So it is designed to be as fast as C and as easy to read as Python. It's a compiled language. Like Java, it is not an interpreter language. Interpreter language basically runs line by line, and compiled language does not run line by line. It executes the whole code and then shows the error. So this language was designed to be as fast as C and as easy to read as Python. We already know that Python was a very trending language still. It may change in the next upcoming years. So for that we can learn this nim. This is as similar as Python because as we already know in C and Java, if you line a code for nearly 10 to 20 lines, in Python you will be writing the code within 3 to 4 lines. So it is very easier to learn, very easier to read, very easier for the programmers to understand. So they hope that these languages will be a very good and very trending language in 2020. So it also helps in memory management. That's both automatic and manual memory management. Was it helps them, and it was created by Andreas Brown. And the last language we are going to see is bonus joy. So as a bonus, we have selected this language. Suppose they are selecting this joy language. So this joy language uh, is a functional programming language. So it is mostly with the functions, and in functions we will have some lambda operators, some operators called dup, and some operators for dealing with functions. So lambda functions we must have learned in some of the languages, which is also similar to a function and helps in huge aspects. So like that, this language is a programming language. This comprises of composition of functions. So it was developed by Manfred Montan. So this joy was also expected to be a very good language which will bloom in the next upcoming year. So the step operators, you can see here the step operators and some other operators are there. Lambda operator, everything you can use since it is a purely functional oriented language. And then there are still some languages called Kotlin. Let's see the Kotlin language. And you can also see Swift language. So this is the official website of Kotlin, and this is the so Kotlin language is being loaded. We can wait. So Swift language and Kotlin language. So it is also a statically typed programming language. It is similar to Java. That is, it is the next version of Java, I can say in that way. So as Java, you can do web application, app application, everything is being done with Java because it helps in better parts with Spring Boot, with Maven, and with Hibernate. So, Java is playing a key role. So like this Kotlin also is similar to Java. This code is very similar to Java, and see we can see that it works with this JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machines, which helps in for running Java. You can use for browser, you can use for Android. So for everything you can learn this Kotlin language. And there is another language called Swift, which is also about to boom in 2020. So this Swift, this is the official website for Swift. It's a powerful programming language, as I said. It was developed by Apple, I think, and here it is a language for they, as they mentioned, Mac OS, iOS, WatchOS. For everything, they are using this Swift programming language. So these languages are expected to boom in 2020. So you can learn enough this language to keep you updated in the upcoming year and to survive in this competitive world. It is better for you to study and learn these languages. So we will be seeing with you. I'll be dealing with you in the next video. So up to that, take care. Bye.